Sofia here from CoachSofiaFitness.com, and I want to share with you 7 amazing stability, deep core activation exercises that you can do at home to help you stabilize and support your lower back and also get relief from lower back pain. I know that I've shared a few core exercises so far on this channel, but this one specifically is going to challenge your stability. We're not going to be using a stability ball. We're only going to be doing exercises that involve planking. So there will be some planking here, but these exercises are great because if you can't get on your back to do core activation and core strengthening, then you can do these. Even though these exercises are low impact, they are very challenging. Breathe deeply, make sure your core is engaged, and always work from a solid foundation. We don't want to be compensating here because otherwise we're not really going to be getting the most out of these exercises. So please make sure that each exercise you do, you think of the end goal and you focus on each repetition. It's not about just rushing through each set and just getting it over with. It's actually about getting the most out of each repetition. So the first exercise is going to be the Inchworm Plank. So I'm just going to go through them one by one, and I'm going to add some instructions here and there. Bring your hands on the ground and then just kind of drive yourself forward until you get into that plank position and then back. Core engaged. So as you do this, you're going to feel challenged, but your core is there to help you stay stable. And make sure that you're not rounding your back. So when you're pushing to the back, make sure you're doing that with your hips. So the next exercise is gonna be plank knee to elbow. And if you can't do the planks on your toes, you can go on your knees. And also if you do experience wrist pain, you can do the plank on your knuckles. So we are gonna get into the plank position. Core engaged, glutes engaged. Bring your knee towards your elbow and back. Make sure that you're looking straight, because when you start to look to the sides, then your back follows and you're just gonna start moving your back, but we want our back to stay stable. Next is gonna be plank out, in. Next exercise is plank to toe tap mountain climbers. So instead of doing the classic version of the mountain climbers, which can be too much, could be considered high impact exercise, we are going to do a low impact mountain climber, which will activate the deeper core muscles and work also the external abdominals. Next is the plank to the leg raise, and this may look like a simple exercise, but it's actually very challenging. So you're gonna get again into the plank position, core engaged, contract your glutes, lift one leg up, and then avoid overarching your back, again using your core to stabilize you. So next is gonna be the straight arm, straight leg plank. And this could feel like a very challenging exercise. So if it does feel challenging, please just get on your knees. So we're gonna get into the plank position. You're gonna raise opposite arm to the opposite side. Just a little bit to kind of challenge our stability. So the next exercise is gonna be the plank to the diagonal, knee to elbow. So we're gonna get into the plank position. We're gonna bring the leg to the opposite side. A little bit of rotation. So I just want to end with some very important notes. If you notice that you're shaking, that's totally fine. It just means that you're challenging your body. So we're not scared to challenge your body. That's what we're doing these exercises in the first place. Shaking is okay as long as you are maintaining your proper form. If you notice that you are overarching your lower back, you're compensating in any way, that just means that you're kind of doing more than, you're asking your body to do more than what it is ready for right now. Start with just 1 or 2 exercises to start with, the easy ones, and really focus on the contractions and breathe deeply. The moment you start to do the exercise with proper form, it just becomes really more challenging. You know, I find that like any type of exercise, the moment that I start focusing on it, focusing on what I'm doing and doing it slowly, it just feels more, it starts to feel harder. So I don't want you to think about the quantity of exercises you're doing. Just focus on the fewer ones you're doing. Focus on those and you are gonna get great results. I'm just showing you and giving you more options so that you feel like you have more options. And whenever you feel that an exercise is starting to feel easier, then you can add a new exercise, or you can increase the number of repetitions or add more sets. So I hope that you give these exercises a try. Keep using your muscles, keep strengthening. It's what's going to help you to fix those weaknesses and muscular imbalances and hopefully get your long-term relief from chronic lower back pain. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.